Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. It is Saturday afternoon. Gave the tires a good little soak there. Gonna hose them down, scrub them down. Get ready to go to a car show tomorrow. Wash the car down. Gonna go ahead and touch up the glass. Probably just do the glass tomorrow at the car show. It's the easiest way to do it, and then you know it's good. But got her ready. She ran good the last couple of times I've had it out. So no problems, just wanted the outside to look really good. She was getting really dusty, so the next footage you'll see, I'm gonna try to do a little bit more with the GoPro, maybe on the trip, I'm not sure. But the next video you see will probably be me either at the car show or on the way. Good morning, everybody. We're up here at Shady's Midway Bar and Grill near Long Prairie for the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads Spring Fling Car Show. The original audio was unusable, unfortunately, for a couple of reasons. There's music in the background as well as way too much wind noise. All the proceeds from today's car show, including merchandise sales, will be donated to the Eagles Healing Nest in Sauk Centre. About the Nest, they are a nonprofit organization committed to meeting the needs of our veterans, service members, and their families who suffer from the effects of trauma and the invisible wounds of war, including PTSD, anxiety, and addiction. They do this by providing a unique living experience that is centered around the 5 pillars of recovery and peer-to-peer programming, tailored to meet the needs of the veteran and service member community. A special thanks to the new owners of Shady's Midway Bar and Grill for providing us a place to have our car show. Please check them out if you're ever near Long Prairie on Highway 71. Got them all lined up along the highway here too.
let's get started on some of the stuff. Something new we started this year is the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads Bingo. And we had pretty good response on that, I think. But our winner is a gal by the name of Tally. How about a round of applause for Tally?
All right, good job.
Thank you all for who participated in that. That was kind of a success. So from here, we will start pulling door prizes to give away what we have on the tables here. 377. That cooler's yours. Yep. That's the last one for door prizes.
That's all the door prizes.
That is it for door prizes. Now we have our plaques and our longest distance travel. Sorry. Before we do that, I want to give everybody a thank you for coming out, putting on a great show for us. This is all about the vets. Let's not forget what this weekend's about. Once again, patronize all of our sponsors. You'll see behind me this banner has everybody that's donated, partners, actual dollars donated, whatever. We are 100% nonprofit. Everything we make goes directly to Melanie Butler and Eagles Healing Nest in Sauk Centre and the vets that are seeking help there. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you very much for coming out and making this a great event. With that, we will start with longest distance travel. Vanessa Kraus, Lakeville, Minnesota, 48 Chev.
Won by 3 miles.
You won by a whopping 3 miles. All right, next up. The Patina Award. For people that don't know what the Patina Award is, as a club, we think it's important that people that bring out a barn find or something that's got duct tape, blood, sweat, and tears involved in the build, that's the car that should get a trophy also. This year it goes to Ray Cruz, Staples, Minnesota, 64 Ford F100. Ray had to go help a car, so Ray's going to have to wait for his plaque. Next up is the Shady's Best in Show Award. To help me present this is Lee Mergen from Shady's. He likes to stay somewhat anonymous, but right now he's right front center. That winner is Ken and Jan Lewis of Rice, Minnesota, 1972 old 442. If you could stick around for pictures afterwards, that'd be greatly appreciated. This is the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads Best in Show. That is voted on by us founding members. And this goes to a very, very deserving participant, I think. As a Mopar guy, but that's just me. Perry Grill of Sauk Rapids, 1969 Dodge Daytona. If you could stick around for pictures too, that'd be great after. All right, last plaque, last award of the day is People's Choice. That goes to Krista Seams of Farwell, VW Vanagon. Oh, I'm sorry, Kirsta. I'm sorry.
Car show.
Her very first car show. Thank you very much for coming. And if you would stick around for a picture. All right. And that officially ends our portion of the car show. Once again, thank you everybody for coming out. Thanks for donating. Thanks for participating. Again, thank Yvette, because without them, we don't exist and we can't do this kind of stuff. With that being said, have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you next year. Thank you very much.